How to fix Instagram live option not showing. So if your Instagram live option is not working or it's not actually showing, then you need to actually watch this video. Right here on the screen is my Instagram app. So the first step you need to take in order to fix your Instagram live option not showing is to go to your Play Store or App Store like this, search for Instagram like this. So when you do that, if yours says update just as mine, then you need to go ahead and click on update in order to get your Instagram app updated. Now, after updating it and yet the problem is not yet fixed, the next step you can actually take is to come right here. So if you go right here on your Instagram, on your profile section, and click on the plus button at the top corner of the screen like this, you're going to be able to see where it says live. You can see the live option right here. But if you're not seeing this after updating your Instagram app, then you need to check your network to make sure that your network is in a good condition by turning on airplane mode and turning it off in order to fix your internet connection. If after doing this and yet it is not actually fixed, the next step you need to take is to go to your phone settings. Right here on your phone settings like this, you need to scroll and click on apps. So right here where you can see the apps you have on your device, you can go ahead and click on the search button and search for Instagram. So after searching for Instagram like this, go ahead and scroll and click on storage. Looking right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see where it says clear data and clear storage. So you simply need to click on clear cache first and also click on clear data. So once you do that, if you log into the Instagram app, they are going to ask you to input your details, your login details. So after inputting your login details, it is actually going to fix your problem. So these are the steps you can actually take in order to fix Instagram live option not showing or not working. Hope you found this video helpful. As you've come to the very end of this video, I do want to hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.